Canva by Anna, and today we are going to learn how to make a cover page for Amazon KDP by using Canva. So let's start. What you want to do, search amazon.kdp.com cover calculator. Once we have all this information in the form, it will basically help us generate a book cover template which we can use in Canva later. So putting the information, so for binding type we are going to paperback, black and white, white paper, left to right, measurement units in inches, interior type 8.5 into 8.5, and page, mention how many coloring book pages were created and add the page numbers, and calculate dimension, note the full cover width and height in inches, and minimize. And coming back to Canva, so in Canva we want to go to create a design and go to custom size again, and once again make sure you change pixel into changes, and width is 17.372 and height 8.75, and create new design. So we will get this page. Go back to cover template, click on copy, and we are gonna paste right into this in Canva. We need to drag and set the margin lines according to the cut lines. After that, I use Canva AI to generate image in 1:1 ratio, and I got this prompt from ChatGPT. And then I want to erase the writings which I created in Canva AI. So I click on eraser and pixel eraser, and I removed it, and done. And drag it properly according to the lines. And then we have to give titles and things. So I click on text and heading. Here I type into coloring books. And go to effect and background change. You can change the color here. I choose white, reduce roundness and spread, and transparency. And again click on subheading, and I type by Canva by Anna because that is my YouTube channel name. So and do the same process. And again text, I type adult coloring books for stress relief, and I change the font into London, and effect background, I change the background into a green, and I decrease the transparency, roundness and spread. and arrange it properly according to your wish. Wherever you want, you can. And then element, I want green circle, so I choose the first one. Again text, I type coloring books. You can type whatever you want. And you can change the font again. Again I type text, adult, I put it here. And again elements, I search for leaves. I want a leaf inside the green circle, so I select this one. Yeah, I like this one. And again position, layers, and I drag it upward. And I reduce the transparency of the leaf. Again text, I write Canva by Anna as there's something like a logo, and I choose this flower and I reduce the size and I put it here. Yeah, done. And we need to remove the margin lines. Before that, we have to copy paste something for the big paper. You can use ChatGPT or something if you want. I used ChatGPT to do this. I changed the color. I tried so many colors to get a perfect look. And again elements, a rectangle shape, and we have to fix the rectangle shape here and drag it down. Yeah. And we have to remove all the margin. And this is how our cover page look like. And again share, downloads, change it into PDF, Pinterest, flatten PDF. We need a professional printing and download. And yeah, we made it.